What you're about to witness is real footage of John after smoking a strong cigar on an empty stomach. Viewer discretion is advised. If you don't want to be like John, I recommend you be on a full stomach before you smoke a strong cigar. But let's say that it's too late. You're already starting to feel nauseous. What you should then do is either grab a packet of sugar or a soda. Preferably a soda that has real sugar in it, but if you don't have that, then high fructose corn syrup will work too. The reason this works is because high levels of nicotine can cause a sudden drop in blood sugar levels, leading to a lightheadedness, dizziness, and nausea. Sugar, being a readily absorbed carbohydrate, quickly raises blood glucose levels, counteracting the nicotine-induced hypoglycemia and alleviating the associated nausea. Yeah, I totally read that off of a script just now and did not have that memorized at all. If you do this, I guarantee that within about a minute you're going to feel better. If you would like more cigar tips and recommendations, please like and follow.